Hey everybody, what is in this package? I have no idea. Let's open it and find out. All right, I know it has been 6 months since my last video. The problem is I keep thinking that I'm gonna wait to do a video until I have time to put some makeup on, and so that's been 6 months. I got a package in the mail a few days ago. I haven't been feeling well, so I haven't opened it yet, but I wanted to open it with you guys. So I have no idea what's inside this package. A while back, I was chatting with Lisa at Beaducation, and I let her know that I wanted to do a review for you guys of some of their products, and I wanted a few suggestions of things that she would like reviewed. So as we were talking, she decided to generously send some surprises for me to share with you guys. Let's open this up. We'll see what's inside. We'll make something fancy. All right, here we are. Let's take a look at what's inside. I'm so excited. So I've been sick for a couple of days and I haven't been able to open it because I wanted to do it with you. So that's been a huge bummer. All right, these are my scissors that I use for leather. They're not for cardboard. Don't be naughty and use fabric scissors for cardboard. So, but I'm desperate and these are the only ones I could find because I have lots of children and kids and scissors, you know. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, again, I have no idea what's inside of this, no idea. So Lisa decided to surprise me and I cannot wait to see what it is. So, she's got a little note in there for me and some stamps. Okay, before I pull these out of the bag, I just need to make a quick note that this is not like a sponsored video or anything, so I'm just really excited to get these. And this was just a sweet thing that Lisa is doing so that we can show you guys some of the new stamps that they have. Okay, so she sent me this cute little note. So nice. And let's see what's inside of here. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. I've been wanting these. Okay, first. So this one, let me see if I can get it to focus for us. Whoop, it's me. Okay, this is one of their pretty new stamps. So I'm turning it this way. It makes me think of like a, like a black-eyed Susan or a daisy. And I like it this way. It makes me think of like a Dandelion Puff or something like that. I'm so excited. I love this one. And then we have a branch. This is perfect because I have a branch, the one that faces the other direction. Yay! Now I can use them to make both sides. Yeah. Oh, and this one is a sweet little flower. Look at this. Let's see if we can get it to focus. Oh, camera, you can do it, I promise. I don't know what's happening. There it is. Isn't that so cute? It's so tiny. Okay, let's make something. I have been wanting to make a mandala video, and so let's make a mandala. Okay, so for the makery portion of this video, I am going to go ahead and create a mandala using these, I don't even know if I'm saying that right, you guys. I don't know how it's said. I'm gonna use these 3 news stamps, and these are Beaducation originals, and they're brand new. You guys are gonna love them. So I'll be trying them out, and I am just going to go ahead and do the next part of this video in higher speed on my ugly bench block. Woo! And just let you guys watch, and then when this part's over, I'll give you my overall impression of the stamps. Whoa. Guys, I don't know where to put these. I keep dropping them everywhere. Okay, hold on. I got this. So here's our lovely little necklace that we've made. I'm staring over here because I'm trying to make sure you guys can see it. Eee! Can you see that? So pretty. So, impression of the stamps. Honestly, I have never met a Beaducation product that I did not like. Their stamps are always super clear. They have a nice tapered end so that they're easy to line up. The way that the tops of them are formed, sometimes you'll get them that the top of the shank is flat and sometimes it's more rounded. But just because of the way that they're formed, they're really easy to hit and get a good crisp impression. I'm not sure if you noticed when I was using the Dandelion stamp on part, I had to hit it a second time after I took it away, but it's so easy to line them back up. So I am loving these. I love that you can see this tiny little flower here. Let's see if you can see that. In the very center there. It's just such a cute little clean image. I'm trying to get the lighting good. There it is. So the little flower in the center, you can see my hands are still black. I haven't cleaned them yet. And then I love these daisies. They're so gorgeous. And that branch is perfect. I'm so excited to make some more things with these. I'm gonna go ahead and make another mandala. I'm so excited, I can't even breathe. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and make another mandala video for you guys soon. And I'm gonna leave a link in the description for Beaducation and you know what? I'm just gonna leave links for all of the stamps that I used today. All of them were Beaducation, so I'll go ahead and leave links for all of them in case there's something that you like. And I know that they are about to upload some more stamps, new designs and everything, probably middle of next week. And I also know that Lisa is about to have a sale on the website, so keep your eyes out for that starting next week. If you have some Beaducation stamps that you would like to make a mandala with, go ahead and make one. If you have Instagram, post a picture of it on Instagram and tag it with Make It Beaducation. So hashtag Make It Beaducation. And then we can all take a look at each other's pretty mandalas and let each other know what we think of these brand new design stamps. I am a sucker for design stamps. So it's a good thing that I'm not rich because I wouldn't be rich anymore anyway. I'd be spending it all on my design stamps. So hopefully I will be getting more videos out to you soon. I've just decided, forget the makeup, this is real life. I got kids, you know?